You like this hair? I know. I look a mess. Today I am going to be installing this 24-inch 5x5 lace closure wig. Alipearl. I already showed y'all the specs, but look at these curls, y'all. Literally, they about to be so cute as soon as I moisturize them. As y'all can see, I already got my ball cap on because I already had a wig on and I just did not feel like changing my ball cap. Call me ratchet, call me whatever, but that's just what it is. But anyways, I got this ball cap already on. I could have put a little bit of makeup on it to make it blend a little better, but I really don't. I'm just not. Y'all see how easy it is to brush through this? This is crazy. And this is how you could tell good hair too. Literally, when you could brush through it like that, might have found you a gem, boo. You might have found you a fucking gem. I'm about to go on the inside and I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup up here. It just blends a little bit better with my skin tone when I do that. This step is actually not necessary. I'm gonna switch my background real quick so y'all can actually see, because I didn't notice that this black hair is actually blending in with my background. Y'all see how thick this hair is? And that's good though, because normally people like these companies, they be trying to be stingy with the density of the hair and stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna need all of that. So that's a good thing about this hair, outside of it being super soft and barely no shedding when I brush out all the curls. And that's another thing with curly hair, it's kind of like pretty tangles, if that makes sense. So if you brushing curly hair, you're gonna have a little bit of shedding, obviously, because the hair is tangled up in its curls. But this hair, literally, when I brushed it out, there's literally barely, there's a few strands in this brush, and that was really it. But I think I want it a little bit tighter, so I'm gonna adjust the straps in the back. So obviously, as y'all can see me looking crazy, but I'm about to hit this side part real quick over here. Let's see what we got going on today. When y'all want y'all close your wigs and stuff to lay like a little bit flatter, y'all see these two little sides right here, these two little pieces? Cut that off just like this. And when you cut it off, cut back just a little bit further too, like get it probably like 2 centimeters in and cut that off. And like sometimes if you gotta cut into the actual wig part itself, it's okay, just a little bit, don't drag it out though. So we just gonna cut these sides off like that. Or I pluck it a little bit. I actually want to part my hair out to see like where I want my part at, and I do want it about right here. And I only do that way, this part right here, I'm not plucking right there because I don't want it to be bald right where I'm plucking it. So I'm gonna part out right about where I want my part at, like that, just so I can make sure I am not plucking specifically where that part is. And I'm actually going to pluck forward because it's easier when it's on my head for me to actually pluck coming forward versus backwards. Tell y'all something. Did this wig need plucking? No, it didn't. But am I going to pluck it anyways? Yes, I am. Feeling like Mufasa. I burnt up my favorite comb and I'm still gonna use it back. Let's see what we looking like. Okay, I like it. I was gonna wear it glueless, but it's hot as hell outside. And the thing about wearing things glueless, like when you do like this spray or like the Got To Be spray, is once you sweat, it starts to loosen up. At the end of the day, this stuff in the Got To Be is just as strong and damaging as glue. So if I'm gonna tear my edges up and off, I'm gonna go all the way. That's just what I'm gonna do. But I'm only gonna use a little bit though. Only gonna use a little bit. I'm barely squeezing anything out, but as I'm squeezing it, I'm also like twirling it around so it like mixes in, if that makes sense. So in all actuality, I literally just did like 3 layers. Now I'm just gonna pull this thing down. Don't come over here bothering me, please. I'm almost done. Ugh. You guys wanna say hi? Okay, move. Your breath is hot. No, I'm about to cut this off. We are going to cut out a little bit of baby hair. A lot of people be like, they don't like all that baby hair and stuff, but to me with curly hair it's almost a must. Like, I get it with straight hair, you don't need all that extra stuff, but with curly hair, like especially a lot of curly hair, you're gonna need your little baby hair. So let's do that. I'm going to tie it down with like this little elastic band. They actually gave me a big pink band. I'm gonna show it to y'all real quick. They sent me like this big pink band. Like, these are good, I feel like, for like nighttime, like when I'm about to go to bed or something. But when I actually want to melt my lace, I like using these stretchy elastic bands, which they sent me this also. So I'm actually gonna tie this down around the part. Water bottle, I got nothing but water and conditioner in here, so I'm gonna just start misting it down. Y'all, this hair is so thick and full. I love it. Get into these baby hair. Alright, so a quick little tip for when y'all cut y'all baby hairs, do not cut them straight across. Kind of cut them at an angle a little bit. That way you could have like not that harsh look, but like the actual nice baby hair. Like, that's all, yeah. So now I'm about to curl up my little baby hair. Using my spray. Go ahead and swoop my baby hairs. I wrap this down again, that way my baby hairs could like be molded, if that makes sense. The only thing I feel like is left to do is to mold this down. I'm gonna pluck my part just a little bit. Let's take this little headband off and see what we're working with. Ooh, working with too much of everything, if you ask me. Don't y'all say nothing to me. Don't y'all say nothing to me. Talk to me. Nice. Y'all look at this hair, but I look good. That's crazy. Mama, you crazy for this right here. They shouldn't have let you leave the hospital with this. They shouldn't have. So here's the finished look, y'all. Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see the density on this wig? Like how thick it is? I honestly, outside of the wigs that I make for myself, because I am a hairstylist and I sell hair too, buying a wig, most of the time you're not going to get this density of hair, especially with this inch. Like this is 24 inches. Most of the time with hair, it be so thin to it, like you actually got to choose whether you want it on the right side or the left side. It's one or the other, normally not both. And the simple fact that this is this thick and I ain't got to pick a side and stay there, that's good. Shout out to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. And I'm not going to lie to y'all, like this right here, this is it. Go grab this. Like you got enough space. Like literally if I wanted a middle part, because it's not a frontal, it is a closure like I said in the beginning. But normally with a closure wig, you gotta, when it comes to parting too, like you gotta pick a side and stay there. It's either a side or middle part. You can't get both. But with this one right here, I am able to actually do a middle part if I did want a middle part. So that's actually good. I can have a side or a middle part, and I ain't gotta pick which side I want my hair on because it's thick and I can have it on both. That's a plus. Thank y'all for watching this video. If y'all like this hair, if y'all love this hair, don't walk, go run. Everything is going to be down in the description box below as to where you can purchase this hair. Once again, I got a 24-inch 5x5 that they sent me, and it can be worn bluish. You don't have to do blue, you don't have to do none of that. I just did it just because I'm used to gluing my wigs down. But yeah, this hair is super soft, super full, little to no shedding literally at all. It's actually true to length. That's the thing about curly hair. Most of the time, y'all, like you buy 24 inches of curly hair and it comes and you're gonna swerve it down. It's like a 20-inch or a 22 inch because it's curly. Literally, this hair literally looks like it is 24 inches while it's curly. So honestly, if I straighten this hair, which I'm sure I could, this literally might look like a 28. It finally hit 1,000 subscribers the other day, which I am ecstatic about. So let's keep that energy up, y'all. Let me know in the comments below what y'all want to see. If y'all want more story times, if y'all want vlogs, if y'all want hair videos, hair tutorials, client stories, let me know because I'm with all of that. I'm gonna see y'all next time.